we will be doing a headband wig. I've already, you know, I had my hair braided. I already did my baby hairs. I'm not that great at baby hairs, you guys, so I didn't record it because they're just basic baby hairs. Like, they don't look that appealing for me to have recorded that part. But so I have this headband wig that was sent to me off of a company off of Amazon, and it came in one of the Amazon Prime bags inside of this bag. And let's see what it's giving. Alright, so it came with the wig, and I already like went through it, so it's kind of like all over the place. But this is the bag that it came in, just like a regular Ziploc bag. And then it has, the bag also comes, I'm happy they sent me this bag because I have a hard time like having storage for all my wigs and stuff, so this is perfect. It comes with a wig cap. I probably won't be putting it on just because I don't plan on keeping the wig on for too long. So it comes with a wig cap. It also comes with this flag headband, which I probably won't be using either. Yeah. So it comes with those items. That is all that came in the bag. So I'll have the link for this wig listed down below, but it is a synthetic wig. It has like a tag on it. It's 24 inches. I got the color black. I forgot what other colors it comes in, but it does come in other colors, and they do have different kinds of headband wigs. I believe they have like a short curlier headband wig also, but I didn't want that one. I wanted some length. All right, you guys. So this is what it looks like. It has like a Velcro little attachment in the back for, you know, shaping it around your head. It comes with a comb in the front to attach it to your head, to the front of your hair. And then that is it. It doesn't have like a, I guess like a tightening part. I guess that's what the little headband part is for. So let me rip this off. And we're going to try baby girl on. So it's, this wig, I can tell it's probably going to get tangled. I really like wigs like this, or like quick hairstyles, like just in case like you don't have your hair done, you could just pop this on your head and go on about your business. So I definitely love wigs like this. The texture of it is pretty soft. It is tingly, but it's very soft at the same time. I'm a finger comb it. I'm not going to comb through it. I don't know whether it'll kind of lose the curl, because it's just like a loose curl already. It doesn't seem like the kind of wig that will lose the curl though. I don't know if it's heat fiber safe. I'm judging from the texture of the hair that I probably wouldn't put heat to it. Yeah. But this is how long it is. It's pretty long. Like I said, 24 inches. I'll show you guys later how long it comes on me. But yeah, let's pop this big boy on. This part is very, very stretchy. I do want my baby hairs to show a little. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. Oh, that's back too far. All right. So I wanted to, so you can see my hair in the back. So I'm wondering whether I can actually put it up. I don't feel like the wig itself is secure enough for me to lift it up. Let me try to tighten it a little bit more. All right. So you can pull it up. I guess I wouldn't suggest that. I don't know how it comes in the back, or maybe I don't have it on right. Oh no, okay, that's fine. That's better. It was the way I had it. All right. Cause I'm thinking maybe like a cute little ponytail. This would be cute, right? So I did get, I'm gonna leave it down for now, but I did get, this is definitely cute though. I did get a additional headband to wear with it because I knew ahead of time the kind of headband that they would end up sending me was like this flag one. And I got a different headband just because I actually saw this TikTok video of this girl with this, it was a scrunchie headband. And I just thought that it was like so cute. And she said that she got it from Etsy, but you can also get it from Amazon. Actually, it's pretty cheaper on Amazon. So I went and bought that. Plus, I wanted to get it faster because I ordered it like Monday. Today is Wednesday. So I'm like, yeah, let me order it on Amazon. I got Prime, so I was like, Amazon. But yeah, so this is the bag that it came in, the headband. It's called a Ruched Ruffle Scrunchie headbands. That's really what they're called, is scrunchie headbands. So I'm going to open this up if I can. I'm struggling. Alright, so this is how it looks, you guys. Focus. This is how it looks. Look how cute that is. Yes. And so I'm going to put this right on. So it's not going to cover the band completely just because it's like, it's pretty skinny. So it's not going to cover the band completely. Like the headband that they provided for me would have been, like, it would have covered the whole thing. But yeah. So I'm going to link the Amazon store down in the description box and for this headband wig, and I'll also link down below the link for this also. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. Like, look at this. I gotta cover the band up, but this is so cute. I gotta buy it in like every color. I only seen that they had like red and this pink, and I was like, I have to have this pink. I have to have it. Look at this. So it doesn't cover the band in the back, but that's cool. This is so cute. All right, you guys. So I am experiencing a little shedding, which to me is just not unexpected. I'm not really sure why people like complain really about shedding. Like, it is inconvenient and annoying, but I mean, it's a synthetic wig. Like, I'm not really expecting too much from it. But I'm going to show you the bottoms of it. Maybe I should try to comb through it for you guys and just see what's up with that, because it's really tangly. It really is. Like, I can tell by because the hair itself is like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's not like, I don't know how to explain it, but you can tell that it's going to get really tangled, you guys. But this headband is giving me everything, okay? Like, I have to get that red one. I have to get every color. Look, if Etsy got more colors, they're going to get my money, okay? They're going to get this little coin. All right. My back comes to, like, right there. Like, almost like the top of my butt. Like, it's pretty long. I really, like, I absolutely love this look. Like, this is everything for me. Okay? Like, this is everything for me. Like, look at this. You could do like a little side ponytail. Like, come on now. Come on, girl. Come on. A little side ponytail. Let me see, you guys. Like, I just want to see how tangled it is. Because it's probably not too bad. Because I had it, like, sitting any kind of way inside the bag, the plastic bag that it was in. So it's probably not even that deep. Okay. That part was, but... Okay, it's a little tangled at the bottom. But like I said, you guys, like, this headband wig was, like, less than $20. Like, if you looking for a quick little style real quick, like, this is bomb. Like, I mean, you can't go wrong with this. Like, and then get you a little headband. Like, come on now. Come on. It's giving a little mermaid vibes. It's giving a little something now. This is cute. I don't care what y'all say. This is cute. Got me pants, okay? Because I'm about to go on Amazon and get me some more colors for these headband wigs. Okay. Alright, you guys. So, I'm going to see whether I want to try to style it a different way. And I will be right back with the final look and my final thoughts about this wig. Look, I decided against putting the hair up just because I like it better down. But yeah, this is what it's given. I really like it though. Like, I'm glad they sent me this. Like, I really, really like it. Like, this is so cute to me. This is bomb. And this is how long it comes. This is bomb. This is how long it comes in the back on me. Just like right above, like, I guess my butt section, like it's like right, like at the top of my butt. Alright, you guys, so like I said, it does shed a little. Want something quick and cheap, like I said, this wig was less than $20. Like, come on. This was less than $20, but yeah. She doing a little something. Like I said, I'll leave the links down below for the wig and also the headband, the Scrunchie headband. Amazon link down below. And subscribe to my channel, like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.